The vault step of the data entry process is where you can upload documents and other files that your advisor would like for you to share with them. It's possible that your advisor has left some files here for you to take a look at. You can open folders and preview files within the vault by clicking the folder or file name. You can exit the file preview by clicking the X icon in the upper right. It's also possible that your advisor might have already created some folders for you to use here. If not, you can always click the Create Folder button to add your own. To upload files to the vault, click the Add File button in the upper right. At this point, you can either drag and drop one or more files into this window, select files from your computer's hard drive, or pull in files from a number of popular file storing services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Everything that you upload here will be automatically shared with your advisor and will be able to be accessed going forward within the financial plan. Do keep in mind that while you can upload multiple files at a time here, you won't be able to upload entire folders. In those cases, you can always create the folder directly within the vault and then upload the files into that folder. While there is no limit to the number of files you can upload, there is a file size limit of 25 megabytes. Larger files might need to be compressed into a zip file before you can upload them. After uploading all of the documents your advisor has requested, click Next to move on to the next step.